Hello friends and welcome to today's video. I would like us to explore deeper and understand the importance of blood transfusion to our friends who are born with sickle cell disease. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing our videos. And for our returning subscribers, thank you so much for loving this YouTube channel. We have also learned that some people would love to support our work in spreading awareness about sickle cell disease, and they would love support organization with some donations. So we have created an account with Buy Me a Coffee. Please check the link below and be able to use it in case you would love to send in any donations in creating awareness about this disease for a sickle cell free generation. Thank you so much. Now, one of the objectives of our organization is to create awareness about the importance of blood donation and to call people to donate blood. And we hope to arrange blood drives in our communities so that we can stock up enough blood in the hospital blood bank so that in case it is required, it is easily accessed. Now remember, the normal human red blood cell lives for 120 days, while the sickle-shaped red blood cell lives for only 20 days. This means that in people with sickle cell anemia disease, their red blood cells die very fast. This one results into anemia. What the blood obtained from the donor does is that it corrects the anemia since it contains enough normal human red blood cells. When these normal human red blood cells are transfused into a sickle cell patient, they replace the other sickle-shaped red blood cells and improve blood flow to all the body tissues where it is required, thus improving on aerobic respiration, forming enough energy required by the body to perform its day-to-day activities. Normal human red blood cells obtained from the donor also help in preventing complications such as stroke and acute chest syndrome, which are very common in sickle cell patients. It is very important, first of all, screen the donor's blood for any viral infections so that we can prevent our dear recipients from getting these diseases. Proper blood grouping and cross matching should also first be done to prevent the body of the recipient from forming antibodies against the blood from the donor. Continuous tests should also be done to prevent cases of iron overload in people who receive blood. So let me hope this video has been helpful. I call upon all of us to donate blood. The only way we can show that we understand the pain our people go through is by donating blood. Safe blood saves lives. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.